the prone leg lift. Today, Ivan's going to be demonstrating a first level progression to be able to start incorporating some of those lower body posterior chain exercises. Ivan, go ahead and start. On this exercise, we're making sure we maintain a neutral position of the spine. Head is staying in a nice relaxed position. You're exhaling at the top, and what you're emphasizing is picking that knee up and squeezing the glutes. Return slowly, complete the amount of repetitions you're going to do on one side, and then repeat on the other. A way to increase the progression of this exercise, you can go ahead and get up, Ivan, is to do what we like to call the bird dog. Jackie's going to demonstrate that. In this exercise, we're not just bringing the leg up, but we're also bringing the hand up. Alternating one side, you're going to complete your repetitions, exhaling at the top, engaging the core, and then repeat on the other side. Great job, Jackie.